Get ready to have your taste buds dancing with joy. I'll share with you this game-changing secret ingredient in spicy wonton.
You're not gonna believe this. This is so delicious.
We'll be using Sichuan peppercorns today. They give out a special tingling sensation. They are available in most Chinese supermarkets in the spice sections. Scallions and ginger. Pour in the warm water. And let it infuse for about 15 minutes. Remove the aromatics. Ta-da! This infused water is our secret ingredient. It will make our filling super aromatic and juicy. You'll see. In a large mixing bowl, add the ground pork, salt, white pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine, and cornstarch. Pour in about half of the infused water and give it a good mix. Pour in the rest of the infused water and mix together. Toss the scallions inside and whisk. We'll use Sichuan peppercorn oil today. It has an amazing aroma with a tingling sensation. It's available in most Chinese supermarkets in the seasoning sections. Add the Sichuan peppercorn oil, chili oil, and check out the link right here for the most delicious homemade chili oil recipe. Chinkiang vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, garlic, ginger, scallions, whisk. We'll use square wonton wrappers today. These are available in most Chinese supermarkets in the refrigerator sections. This is how it looks like inside. Add some water around the edges. Add about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Fold it in half to create a triangle. Tap some water on the bottom corner. Seal the two bottom corners together. Look at this, it looks great, isn't it? Repeat with all of them. There are many ways to cook wontons. If you'd like to check out my crispy wonton recipe, visit the link right here. For our recipe today, we'll boil them. I promise you'll see how delicious they are. Over high heat, bring water to a boil. Add the wontons inside. Cook for about 5 minutes until completely cooked through. Scoop the wontons in a bowl along with a little boiling liquid and drizzle the sauce over them. Lastly, garnish with scallions. Here's a little quiz for you. What did I add to the filling to make it extra juicy and aromatic? Please comment below.
This is the best spicy wonton I have ever eaten. The filling is so juicy, aromatic. The sauce is just shockingly delicious. I love it. If you like to make wonton noodle soup at home, check out the link right here. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. And I will see you again soon. Bye!
Would you like to watch exclusive behind-the-scenes content? Also receive early access to my richer recipes and short videos. Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy-to-follow Asian recipes. Thank you for being awesome.